You all, I am driving. This is my dog. Caesar can't see. This is, like, I don't know if he thinks he's driving or what, but I can't see, bro. This is him driving. I guess he thinks he wants to drive. I don't know. See his car on my shoulder? It's crazy. Okay, let me turn, Caesar. Okay, I can't see. Caesar, I gotta drive. I can't see. Yo, this is Velcro dog. Literally leaning on my shoulders. He knows he's kind of halfway home, but okay. Okay, Caesar. I can't see. Can't see. Okay, can you like go to the back on your own? Can you go to the back? It's crazy. He thinks he's human. Okay, you gonna go to the back now? Take your hand off my shoulder. These kids are playing. Can you take your hand off my shoulder? We're almost home.